Soldiers in Indian Kashmir have shot dead 2 separatist militants after a 2-day gun battle. The militants forced their way into a hotel in the city of Srinagar on Wednesday, killing a policeman. A second man died in hospital and 9 people were injured. The rebels used rifles and grenades to fight for 22 hours in one of the biggest attacks in the city in 2 years. Police said 400 people had to be rescued from the hotel in the surrounding area. An Islamist militant group which wants Indian Kashmir to be merged with Pakistan claimed responsibility for the attack. The fighting took place in the city's main business centre.
We were shopping here. Suddenly there was a loud explosion and then we heard sound of gun firing and grenades. We don't know what happened, but the firing is still going on. We crossed the road to flee the site. Firing is still going on.
It comes a day after a suicide bomber killed 3 soldiers at a military school in Pakistani Kashmir. There have been several attacks there in the past year. The region is the source of a dispute between Pakistan and India and has been the cause of 2 wars since their independence from Britain in 1947. Officials say tens of thousands have been killed in the region since 1989. Anna McIntosh, Reuters.